your name?
My name?
Yes, no clue. Oh. What? No clue. No clue.
Yes.
Sounds like somebody I know.
Here.
Who?
My teacher.
Who? No clue. So clue.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Now look at everybody here and tell them yes, and you say I am a monkey. Okay, you are a monkey. No. You tell them yes, you will say I am a monkey. Okay, you are a monkey. No, listen. Good, you listen. Good. You say I am a monkey. Correct. You are a monkey. Other eating bananas, still bananas. Okay, let's find out what do you know about breakfast? Banana. Lunch, banana. Dinner, banana. Is that correct? No. Okay, why? Do we eat only one kind of food or many types of food? Many types of food. That's important, okay? Really? Yes. You see all the boys and girls, they eat different kind of food. That's important, okay? Can you talk? He cannot talk. Hello. You can talk? Yes. You never tell me. You never ask. Okay, tell everybody. Yes. What's your name? My name? Yes. Darth Vader. Oh, you mean Darth Vader? No, Darth Vader. Darth Vader. Darth. Oh, Darth. D-A-R-K. No, D-U-C-K. Darth. 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 Vader. Oh, Darth Vader. Yeah. D-U-C-K. Yes. Darth Vader. Yeah. Okay. Welcome to the show. Okay. Now we have the boys and girls in front. Yes. Look at all the boys and girls. Yes. What do you want to say to them? I am your father. I know. So you are super hand. Yes. Now super hand. Yes. And look at all the boys and girls. Good. Alright, now superhead, yes. Do you have any superpower? Yes. What's your superpower? I can fly. You can fly. Yes. Can you show us? Okay. You want to see? Yeah. You can fly? Yeah. How do you fly? 2 steps. What are the 2 steps? Step 1, you hold me. Okay. Step 2, you throw me. No. Okay. There's a race between the turtle and the hen. Who won the race? Me. Who won the race? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Good.